In the early 20th century, communities all around the world were discovering the medium of film. The Yiddish-speaking community in Europe also participated in this new cinema fever, and the publication Film Velt encapsulates their excitement around the art form. Film Velt, founded by film director Shaul Goskind, was first published in Poland in 1928 and ran for only 10 issues before ceasing publication in 1929. This monthly Yiddish-language publication provided news and production updates on forthcoming film releases, as well as information about Polish and Hollywood movie stars. This particular emphasis on the film actor and fame is evident by updates on the activities of Hollywood stars Greta Garbo and Charlie Chaplin in the October and December 1928 issues. In addition to its focus on the Hollywood film industry, Film Velt also analyzed film as an art form. The first article of the inaugural issue of the periodical begins with a proclamation, Wir seien Snobben, we are film snobs, showcasing the opinion that cinema is a worthwhile medium to study through an academic lens. Another article poses the question, are silent films or sound films better? Many different national cinema traditions were concerned with the same question during the late 20s, as sound film technology took over the film industry. Although Film Velt mainly concentrated on issues affecting the film industry at large, it also devoted small sections to particular interests of the Yiddish reader. The first issue of the periodical poses a question to readers. Which works of Yiddish literature need to be filmed? This mix of topics found in Film Velt sheds light on the way that Yiddish-speaking Jews negotiated their interest in both the particularities of Jewish culture as well as the broader popular culture.